story.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Houston County in southeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Grapeland, Oregon, 14 miles north of Crockett, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Grapeland, Kennard, Latexo, and Wedges. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is your NOAA weather radio station KXI 55 on Alaska, Texas. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch.